Police have destroyed a large patch of illegal ganja cultivation in Odisha's Keonjhar district, dealing a major blow to suspected drug networks operating in forested areas. Acting on specific intelligence, law enforcement teams carried out an operation in Mankada Hatting forest under Joda block. During the raid, officers found cannabis plants spread across more than 2 acres of forest land. The entire illegal plantation was uprooted and destroyed on the spot, following due procedure and in the presence of local magistrate. Investigators believe the cultivation may be linked to an interstate narcotics network, given the scale of the operation. After the destruction drive, Badbil police stepped up efforts to trace those behind the plantation and to identify possible handlers and financiers involved in the illegal trade. Police officials said the action was taken swiftly after receiving credible inputs about the banned crop being grown near a forest stretch. Authorities have warned that strict legal action will be initiated against anyone found connected to the cultivation as part of an intensified crackdown on drug related activities in the region.
विशेष सूत्रରୁ ଆମକୁ ଗୋଟେ ସୂଚନା ହସ୍ତଗତ ହେଇଥିଲା ଯେ ମାକଡ଼ା ହାଟିଂ ପାଖ ଗୋଟେ ସୁନା ନଦୀ କୂଳର କିଛି ବିସ୍ତୀର୍ଣ୍ଣ ଜାଗାରେ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଅବୈଧ ଭାବରେ ଅଫିମ ଚାଷ କରାହେଉଛି। ତ ଆମେ ତାକୁ ଭେରିଫାଇ କଲା ପରେ ଉକ୍ତ ସ୍ଥାନକୁ ଆସିକିରି ଆମେ ଚଢ଼ଉ କରୁଛୁ। 2ରୁ 3 ଏକର ଜାଗାରେ ଅବୈଧ ଭାବରେ ଏଇଭଳିଆ ଅଫିମ ଚାଷ କରାହେଉଛି। ଆଉ ଆଜି ଆମେ ପୁଲିସ ଟିମ୍ ଏକ୍ଜିକ୍ୟୁଟିଭ ମାଜିଷ୍ଟ୍ରେଟଙ୍କର ଉପସ୍ଥିତିରେ ସେଇ ପ୍ଲାଣ୍ଟେସନକୁ ଆମେ ଡେଷ୍ଟ୍ରୟ କରୁଛୁ।